You like my hair? She thinks, just bought it. I see it, I like it, I want it.
Hello there, my lovelies. I hope you guys are all doing very well. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, then welcome. My name is Victoria. Today's video, I'm just gonna jump right into it, is going to be a sleek summer hairstyles video. And these hairstyles that I'm going to be showing you are actually perfect for really hot days like today, to keep your hair out of your face, but to look, you know, all put together at the same time. But before I begin with the video, I actually wanted to let you guys know that I am partnering with Luisa. And Luisa is an affordable jewelry brand that makes quality pieces of jewelry. I actually have all of their pieces on right now, if you can't tell. They look very, very pretty. So the pieces that I actually have on right now are the Vida V necklace, and it just looks like that. I also have the Talisman Huggy Hoops, and these are called the Cruise Hoops. They look beautiful. I've actually been eyeing these for such a long time. So once again, these are the Talisman Huggy Hoops Cruise. And then right over here in my middle piercing, I have my gold hoop earrings, and they're called the Alyssa hoops. I really, really like these because these are not a shape that you often see. They're kind of like hexagonal a little bit. Like, how cute is that? I think that this Alyssa hoop complements everything perfectly. It's just a very modern style earring. So like I said, Luisa makes affordable jewelry, but they make it in very high quality. So these are actually all gold plated earrings that I have, and so is the necklace. And what I really love about Luisa is the prices that they start at. So literally their jewelry pieces start at $39, and they are all super chic and super cute. I do have a discount code to offer for you guys, and that is going to be linked down below. It is VictoriaK10 to get 10% off of your checkout. What I actually like most about Luisa is that in 2021, as you guys know, I'm a big sustainable advocate. In 2021, they actually became climate neutral certified, and I think that is awesome. And you could even tell by the way that everything comes packaged. But without further ado, let's get on into the video. Okay, so as a base for all of the hairstyles I'm going to be showing you guys, the one thing that you need to do for every single one of these hairstyles is middle part your hair and sleek it out. Okay, so just going in with my rat tail comb, I am going to be splitting my hair down the middle. And now I'm just taking some water and spraying away all of my flyaways and using some pomade to really smooth that top out. So I have pretty fine hair. I didn't use that much. If you have thicker hair, I would probably be using a little bit more pomade. And here you guys can just see me sleeking everything out, taking my comb everywhere around my head and making sure that there are no tangles or bumps anywhere, and that it's nice and smooth. And then right after that, I am putting all of my hair together into a nice ponytail on the crown of my head, and that's actually going to be the first look. Here I'm just going back with some more pomade to smooth out those flyaways as a final touch. And there we go. That is the first hairstyle, you guys. Always going to be in style. Nice little sleek ponytail. Okay, so for the second hairstyle, we're actually going to be doing a typical braid, nothing too fancy. So in case you guys don't know how to do that, I'm doing it very slowly here. You have to split your hair into 3 sections. The right section goes on top of the middle, into the middle. Left goes on top of the middle, into the middle. Right goes on top of the middle, into the middle, and so on. And I'm just doing that all the way to the bottom of my ponytail, and there we go. That is our second hairstyle. Very cute. I have not seen it around too much, but I definitely know it is going to be in style, especially in the fall. Third hairstyle. We take that ponytail and we are just twisting our hair onto our finger and making a bun. So I twist my hair onto the hair that's already there. And here's the most important part. I'm twisting my hair now, the bun, so that the ends of my ponytail are on the top. The reason for this is because we want those ends to be sticking out at the top to have that model-like effect, those runway buns that we have been seeing. So what I didn't notice while I was filming this is that little bottom section was still there. We don't want it. I'm just taking a bobby pin and sticking it to the side of my hair a little bit closer to the top so it rejoins all of that other hair at the top. And there we go. That is our third style. Look at that, nice and sleek. This is the one that I honestly wear most often, especially to the gym. It just stays right out of my face. For the final style, you're going to want to have a few little hair elastics. This is going to be the bubble ponytail, probably my favorite. So really all you do is you take that ponytail and you put a bunch of those elastics onto your ponytail and make essentially mini ponytails on your ponytail. And what I'm just doing here is I'm pulling out my hairs that have already been tied in that little elastic to oomph them up a little bit. So doing it one more time, sped up, and that's what the final product should look like. I used about 6 mini hair ties. I love this one. It gives me Selena Gomez vibes. Okay, you guys, so we are at the end of the video. Those are the sleek summer hairstyles that you guys could be wearing when it is extra hot and when your hair gets greasy. Personally, this one is my favorite, but I do know that the braid one is going to be trending very shortly. I've already seen it on Gigi Hadid many times with the paparazzi already, so just saying, you may want to start sporting that hair look. And as a quick reminder for all of you, I do have that discount code in case you guys end up wanting to go check out Luisa. I do highly recommend it in case you're looking for any affordable and quality jewelry right now. I will be leaving a link down below in the description box for you guys to go check them out. And other than that, I hope you guys like this video. Please hit that thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe. It really helps out my channel. I can't wait to be back soon. I hope you guys have such a lovely day. Bye.